Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening. Ayan, mag-unboxing kami ng ano ito? Ayan, abangan na natin. Unboxing tayo guys. Unboxing tayo. Unboxing, yahoo! Parang Pringles ata to guys. Bulaan ko Pringles. Ayan. Pringles. 1. 2. Durog na. Purple. Green. Durog na yung ilalim. Ayan guys. Ito yung ano guys. Ano ni Mother Lily. Ayan.
Tatlo lang?
Yes!
No, tatlo lang ba yun?
Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Orange.
Orange.
Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Green.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy eating.